I wanted to test out a few different mics. I wanted to test out this Rode mic right here that's built into this wireless unit, the Rode Go. I wanted to test out the Rode Video Mic Pro to mount on the camera. And then I also wanted to test out the Deity. Lastly, there's this one, which is the Rode Smart Lav. Between all of these, I do have a recommendation. I'm gonna save that for later, but I wanna go ahead and roll this for you so that you can hear for yourself. The first test is gonna be vlogging style, where you're holding the camera with the mounted mic. The second one is gonna be a wide test, like if I was standing way back here. And then the third one is gonna be a little bit more of an up close medium shot. And so I just want to get a good feel for all of these different styles of shooting and for you to understand what the capabilities of each mic does. And then I'm going to tell you which one I think you should be using for sure. This is the Deity D3 Mic Pro. It is awesome because I'm vlogging. Can you tell that I'm vlogging? I'm vlogging. I hope you're having a good day. I'm vlogging. This is what it sounds like from the Rode, from the Deity D3 Pro. Hey, this is the Rode Video Mic Pro. I'm vlogging. If you can notice, I'm here. I'm sitting on a swing. This is me vlogging. Again, I'm vlogging. Hi, I'm vlogging. Hey, I'm vlogging. Nice to see you. I'm vlogging. I think I'm getting better at this whole little vlogging routine. This is me wearing the Smart Lav into the Rode Mic Go, which basically is just a little wireless receiver transmitter device that is tiny, itty bitty bitty. And I've got this lavalier microphone right here. Hey there, I'm vlogging. Nice to see you. I'm vlogging. If you can't tell I'm vlogging, you will notice by the way that I'm holding this camera that I am, in fact, vlogging. I'm using the mic that is within the Rode Video Go, and it's right here on my lapel. This is the device. I love it. I don't know how good it sounds, but I really love it. I just really think that when you're recording something, it's really nice to have some distance. And the one thing about on-camera microphones is that they don't really offer you or afford you the ability to be very mobile. Basically, this is what the Rode Video Mic Pro sounds like on top of the camera. When the camera internal is at -30 decibels, and what I've always liked about Rode, I actually do like the sound. It's very arguable that the Deity sounds better in some ways, but man, I really like the Rode Video Mic Pro. I always thought it sounded really crisp. So this is kind of like a set and forgive model. I would pretty much just like use this more for long shots, and if I'm going to be speaking myself a lot, I'd probably use this. And it's very, very discreet. It's really, really easy to I really like this. I can just use my Joby mount it up in a tree like I am right now, and I can get some shots like this. And now this is pretty much the same mic placement, but it's just a different mic. It's using the mic that's literally built in on the receiver. And so I like this concept here because I like the idea of just having like one little thing in my pocket. I don't have to clip anything on really that's cumbersome. I don't have to string a mic, I don't have to string a cable down. So I really want this to be my favorite setup because I think that it's the most, I just think it's the best. I think it's one of the best inventions in the audio space for a long time. This is probably a better shot here with this tree right above my head. When I'm getting a little closer into the camera, this is what the Rode Video Mic Pro sounds like. I could pretty much go like this. Hello, how are you? I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day today. Keep it classy, San Diego. Which one of these sounded best to you? I'd like to know in the comments. Let me know. And if you are vlogging right now and you're using one of these or some other type of microphone, Let me know which ones you use. It'd be nice to continue to build out my my rig. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. I would like to recommend this Rode Blink. It's $200, and it's just a huge bang for your buck. If you're somebody who just wants to get out and create something like myself, this is gonna go a long way, and you can clip it to yourself like this. It's really, really great. The one thing I have noticed is that if I clip it like here, basically if I were to lean over, you start getting stuff like this. But as far as sound quality goes, I do hand it to the Deity. This is a beast of a microphone, and it's very durable. And it's got a great sound to it. I can't deny that. That's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, share, and subscribe. Remember, keep the love, and have fun shooting. Make sure the barriers to getting out and filming stuff and making things happen are as small as possible.